Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn about how to call API using XML HTTP request. It's the it's the like oldest that we are that can be usable in the JavaScript. That is the old method that we have using XML HTTP request, but it is also used in that to call the API. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do hit like and share and comment on it. So let's get started. So here we have the request where xhr, and this is a new XML HTTP request with credentials. That's true. After this, there's a listener that is ready state changed. Okay, or after all the completion is done in the ready state, the data is to be 4, that means status code to be 200, then it will going to print the data. Okay, response.txt, and this is the get API, and the data that we are passing over here, this is the API that we are using, and exit.send. So we are going to just add this part in our JavaScript code, and let's see it is working or not. Let me comment this one, so in future in anybody like want to code, so I can share with it. Okay, so here we go with this one and just reload it. See, data, network, this one, response. Okay, same thing, all the methods are same, and you can see that we can use different methods to call the API in the JavaScript. So there are three methods that we have used: fetch API, Ajax call, and XML HTTP request. Three methods we have done in the series. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.